Hello everyone, myself Khushbu Nemade from International Institute of Professional Studies. This video contains two solutions of analysis and designs of algorithm under the guidance of Dr. Shaligram Prajapati sir. The, uh, the pattern of this question paper is MCQ types. Uh, First, here multiple choice questions are given. First, what is an algorithm? Uh, uh, an algorithm is a set of instructions to perform a task. Second, which notation is commonly used to represent the time complexity of an algorithm? Uh, so answer is all of the above. We can use order of n, omega of n. So here the answer is all of the above. Third, what is the purpose of analyzing the algorithms? Means why we analyze the algorithm. So his answer is to optimize their performance. uh, Fourth, which of the following is an example of a dynamic programming problem? Programming problem is the longest common subsequence, that is the answer is option A. Fifth, which of the following is an example of graph algorithm? Answer is C, depth first search. Question 6. What is the time complexity of binary search? Binary search time complexity is order of log n. 7. What is the time complexity of merge sort? Time complexity of merge sort is order of n log n, that is option D. What is the time complexity of quick sort in the worst case? Answer is option D, order of n square. In previous here we see, here video we see how to calculate this time complexity and space complexity of various types of algorithms. Ninth, which of the following is an example of divide and conquer algorithm? Answer is binary search. In binary search, we divide the whole array and then search according to its the key value, according to compare with key value and mid value. If the mid value is low, we mid value is smaller than uh, key value is smaller than mid value, we move to the left part of the array. And if key is higher than mid value, we move to the right side of the array and further divide the array until we find our value. What is the divide and conquer strategy? Divide and conquer strategy, answer here is its answer is option A, means breaking a problem down into smaller sub problems and solving each sub problems recursively. Which of the following is an example of a greedy algorithm? Here is the answer is C, that is Huffman coding. What is the time complexity of Huffman coding? The answer is option D, means order of n log n. 13th, which of the following is an example of a dynamic programming problem? A example of dynamic programming problem, here answer is option B, that is matrix chain multiplication. What is the time complexity of breadth first search? Uh, Answer is option A, order of n. Which of the following is an example of a graph algorithm? Uh, Binary search, merge sort, breadth first search, quick sort. Among answer of these, uh, the example of graph algorithm is answers option C, breadth first search. 16th, which notation is commonly used to represent the space complexity of an algorithm? Here answer is D, that is order of 1. Which of the following is an example of a divide and conquer algorithm? Um, divide and conquer algorithm example is option B, minimum spanning tree. What is the time complexity of matrix chain multiplication? Matrix here its answer is option D, that is order of n cube. Sorry. Which of the following is an example of greedy algorithm? Yeah, answer is option A. Sorry, option B, minimum spanning tree. 20. What is the time complexity of binary search in the worst case? Answer is order of log n. On this set B part, uh, there are some fill-ups. First, dash is the process of finding the solution to a problem by step. Uh, Means iteration is the process of finding the solution to a problem step by step. Second, time complexity of algorithm is denoted by big O notation. Third, dash is an example of a dynamic programming problem. Longest common subsequence can be an example of dynamic programming problem. Fourth, in the dash approach, a problem is divided into smaller sub problems and solved recursively. Uh, Divide and conquer approach. Fifth, the dash algorithm finds the shortest path between nodes in a graph. Here its answer is Dich Dijkstra's algorithm. Sixth, the dash algorithm is used to traverse a graph in a depth first manner. Answer is depth first search. Seventh, the dash algorithm is used to traverse a graph in a breadth first manner. Answer is breadth first search because it searched the traverse the graph in breadth manner. 8. Time complexity of binary search is answer is order of log n. Ninth, time complexity of merge sort is answer is order of n log n. Time complexity of quick sort is time complexity of quick sort and merge sort is the same order of n log n. 11. In the dash algorithm, the input signal sequence is divided into two parts and the search is continued in the part where the key may be found. Uh, Answer is binary search. Second, 12th, dash is a type of algorithm that always selects the best possible choice at each step. Answer is greedy algorithm. 13, dash is a coding technique used to compress data without losing any information. Answer is Huffman coding. 14, dash is an algorithm that finds the minimum weight spanning tree of a graph. Minimum spanning tree of a graph can be found with the algorithm of minimum spanning tree. The time is complexity of the Huffman coding algorithm is answer is order of n log n. Now 16, time complexity of the minimum spanning tree algorithm is here time complexity of minimum spanning tree algorithm is order of m log n. 17, time complexity of the longest common subsequence problem is here its answer is order of n cross m. 18th, time complexity of the matrix chain multiplication problem is here its answer is order of n cube. 19th, notation used to describe upper bound on the running time of an algorithm is its answer is big O notation. 20, the notation used to describe the lower bound on the running time of an algorithm is its answer is omega notation. Here and the third question is match the column. Here we have to match the first column to the second column, that is first binary search. Binary search can be a divide and can be matched to option B, that is divide and conquer algorithm. In binary search we divide a whole array into two parts. That's why it can be a divide and conquer algorithm. Second, depth first search. Depth first search can be matched with E option, that is graph algorithms. We can say that depth first search is a graph algorithm, and breadth first search, a third option, can is also matched to a E option, that is graph algorithm, because depth and first search both are the graph algorithm. Fourth, merge sort. Merge sort is belongs to a divide and conquer algorithm. Fifth, quick sort. Quick sort and merge sort are similar. That's why both belongs to B option, that is divide and conquer algorithm. Sixth, Huffman coding. Huffman coding is a greedy algorithm. So it is matched to option A, that is greedy algorithm, and it can also be a compare with F option, that is a comparison technique, because Huffman coding is also defined as uh, com- file comparison or data comparison technique. Seventh, minimum spanning tree. Minimum spanning tree is a greedy algorithm, so it is matched with the option column A. Now, eighth, upper bound on running time. Upper bound on running time is a time complexity, so it is matched with the G option. And longest common subsequence. Longest common subsequence is a dynamic problem, so it is matched with the option C, dynamic programming problem. And the tenth is big O notation. Big O notation is an uh, algorithmic notation, that's why it is matched with the option D, algorithm notations. That's it. Thank you.